Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Now, I'm going to update the existing packages in my Ubuntu system. The sudo command grants administrative privileges. apt manages available packages on the system. This update command updates available packages. So I'm tapping on the enter button to continue. And now I have to type the password of the root user and pressing the enter button again. As you can see, this is updating the available packages. After updating the available packages, now I'm going to run this huge command. This install command is used to install packages on the system. This portion allows to use HTTP secured repositories, and these CA certificates allow to check SSL based authenticity and certificates. This curl allows file transfer via various protocols, and this software properties common. This portion allows to manage your distribution and independent software. Now I'm going to tap on the enter button to continue. And I'm going to type Y and press enter button again. Using this procedure, I have installed the prerequisite packages of the system. Now I'm going to add the GPG key to the system. This command will help us to do that, and this curl fssl command silently downloads files from a URL and shows errors if they occur. And this is the link to download Docker GPG key, and this portion is used to download and add OpenPGP keys for authentication. Pressing the enter button to continue. After adding GPG key to the system, now I'm going to add the Docker repository to the apt resources. And for this, I'm going to use a huge command again. This portion of the command allows to add an apt repository to sources, and this portion specifies the binary package repository for the AMD 64 architecture, and this one is the URL of the Docker repository, and this table specifies the Ubuntu release and the release channel for the intended packages. Now I'm tapping on the enter button to continue. Tapping on enter button again. As you can see, it is adding the Docker repository to the apt sources, and it is done. After all these processes, you have to check if the system is ready to install Docker from the Docker repository or not. For this, I'm going to use this apt cache policy. Displays the pinning priorities and distribution properties of each package source, and this portion is the package name for the open source Docker community edition. So for this, I'm tapping on the enter button. Now finally, I'm going to install the Docker environment by running a simple command. Now I'm tapping on the enter button, tapping Y and pressing enter button again. After installing, you can check the Docker status. So this systemctl manages system services, and status will show the status of the Docker here. Now I'm tapping on the enter button again. As you can see, The system is active currently. This Docker is running. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this out and let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.